Hi, I'm Adam Freeman.
Hi, I'm Rachel Freeman.
And welcome to our final episode concerning the Portugal Golden Visa process.
歡迎收睇葡萄牙黃金簽證系列嘅最後一集。
Today we discuss the final step towards citizenship, which means the language test in Portuguese, and a few other considerations that are important.
今集我哋會講一下成個步驟嘅最後一個重點就係語文水平測試，同埋另外一啲需要考慮嘅因素。
Let's begin.
而家開始啦。
Some people may be concerned about is the dreaded language test to become a citizen of Portugal. But there's good news, because the Portuguese government, through CEF, the immigration services, provides migrant support. In fact, they have courses ranging from 6 to 9 months here in local schools with local teachers. So the certificate that you need to be able to provide for Portuguese citizenship is at an A2 level on the Common European Framework. A2 it has simple forms of past and present. It doesn't mean that you're going to be able to speak at a very high or complicated level, but the truth is that for simple, functional, daily things, like dealing with bus drivers or making reservations on the phone, in the end, an A2 level is enough language ability to get by in common conversations, especially with older people who may not have been exposed to much English. So, don't worry too much, because they've already considered integrating people through the language, and there are several available options. So, don't feel too bad.
入籍嘅最後一個步驟咧，就係通過呢個葡文考試啦。咁呢個語文水平考試咧，好多人都會擔心，因為葡文其實都唔容易學喎，咁會唔會肥佬嘅咧？咁冇錯，當然係會肥佬啦。咁所以咧，如果你係做呢一個投資移民嘅話咧，咁呢一度葡萄牙嘅政府咧，佢係會提供150小時免費嘅葡文課堂俾你上嘅。咁同埋其實佢哋嘅要求咧都唔算高嘅，咁只不過係 A2 level， 大概係日常用語可以應對得到就可以㗎啦。咁如果你喺申請期間唔喺葡萄牙居住嘅話咧，咁另外一笪地方咧你可以去考核嘅咧就係去澳門啦。
If you choose to pursue the €350,000 Golden Visa rehabilitation and refurbishment process, a very strong recommendation is a fiscalização. Due to the nature of the market and how quickly things are going, you've got a number of different providers who are building as quickly as they can, and they're not necessarily guaranteeing the quality of the materials. A fiscalização is a person that it becomes a part of your team to oversee the process between the developer, the real estate agent, and yourself. They can make sure that the quality of the materials that's negotiated within the contract matches. They can also force the providers to take quality in their work. For example, for us, we want a specific type of toilet and we want a specific type of sink. So we can communicate with that with the developer, but the fiscalização in Portuguese has the chance to really bridge the gap during the refurbishment process. And that's part of the reason why we decided to go with that. All of these things factor in to make sure that your investment is done right and done properly.
如果你係做35萬重建嘅話咧，咁你就需要請一個檢查人啦。因為葡萄牙實在太多嘅建設工程啦，咁好多時候大部分都喺度趕工，咁一趕嘅時候咧，就有時有啲嘢難免會出錯。咁呢個檢查人咧嘅作用咧，就係幫你跟進成個重建過程嘅進度啦，睇下佢哋做工啱唔啱啦，係咪合乎個設計圖嘅要求啦，或者用料係咪你所希望想要嘅啦，咁佢都會幫你去跟到足嘅。通常檢查人咧有建築師嘅資格，咁佢先至可以同你同發展商去做有效嘅溝通。
Another thing you need to consider is how you want to structure your investment strategy. Do you want to go corporate or personal? And you'll face different taxation rates as a result of that. So for example, corporate taxation at the current time is 21% of all profits, whereas you'll see personal taxation rates above 35 or 36%. Some of them are approaching 40, 45, depending on the level of income. Also, another benefit is that you can compound any losses as you're preparing for a short-term lease or a long-term lease. All the money that goes into that, you can allay against your tax requirements in the corporation That is not necessarily the same case with personal. And if you decide that you want to have an alojamiento local or a short-term let, this is the corporate route actually gives you a lot of freedom, definitely with the taxes and definitely how you consider your profits. So personally, we decided to go the corporate route because the Golden Visa investment allows for one sole proprietorship, one owner with 100% shares in the company to then own everything related to that business. And you can place the properties underneath your business and then allows for family reunification for spouses or children or parents or whatever it might be that is independent of the corporation.
另外呢一點咧，我諗我哋之前都提過㗎啦，就係當你買呢個物業嘅時候，你究竟係用個人名義買啊，定係用公司嘅名義去買？因為咧呢一度會有少少個稅率上邊嘅唔同嘅。咁如果你係用個人名義去買咧，個稅率可以係高到40%。如果你用公司名義去買嘅話咧，個稅率咧就會係21%。咁所以咧會係低少少嘅。咁如果你想用公司名義去買嘅話咧，你就要留意啦，呢間公司咧就只可以有一個老細，咁佢就係100%公司股份嘅持有人。
Due to the nature of the market and the considerations that it's possibly becoming gentrified, some local municipalities are reaching out and creating new laws for short-term or long-term lets, the alojamiento local in the local language. In fact, as of July 2019, the municipality of Porto established containment areas allowing only for a specific amount of investment for short-term lets. They have restricted the licensure. So sometimes these governmental issues will pop up and the bureaucracy, and you need to make sure that you're aware of those kinds of things. We in fact wrote about the specific details of this in the number 4 blog post of our Portugal property investment, which is on our blog. So take a peek at that for more details. But this is definitely something that's interesting, and as the market continues to grow, and they're trying to make sure that they can protect it so that local people are not hurt, but also investments maintain in a proper course.
另外就係關於短期租約嘅法例啦，因為遊客多啦，咁所以咧變咗喺葡萄牙短期租約啊或者 Airbnb 咧亦都多嘅，所以政府對呢一類型嘅租約咧開始有管制啦。咁最新嘅法例咧就係今年7月，咁就喺波圖嗰度佢哋按租金唔同嘅壓力啦，而分咗唔同嘅區域，咁就限制區裏邊嘅短期租約數目。有關呢一點咧，我哋喺最近嘅一篇博文嗰度咧提及過。如果大家有興趣嘅話咧，可以上網知道睇。
So that about wraps it up. Thank you for watching.
就係咁多啦，多謝大家收睇。
And as always, there's information available in the blog posts that we've put in the description below.
喺我哋網址嗰度咧有更多嘅資料，歡迎大家隨時去睇。
We've really enjoyed putting this series together, and we hope that it's helpful to you. As always, we remain available to any questions you may have.
希望大家會覺得我哋呢幾集嘅內容有用啦。咁如果有問題嘅話咧，歡迎同我哋查詢。Bye.